Okay, passive income is real estate income. What is the difference between the active income? In an active income is from an active business. For example, this activity. Whenever I am giving services to my clients, I am using my energy to provide for a consultation, for a service. That is an activity because it's an activity. Providing advice is an activity. In that case, that income is 100% deductible. I'm sorry, that income is 100% taxable, and I can only match that active income with active expenses. Passive income is the opposite of active income. Passive income is something that I do not do, but I get income. For example, rental income. I don't do anything. I just buy the property, and the property pays a rent. That's passive income. Passive income and active income are taxed the same. There's no difference. The difference is the amount of expenses that I have for deduction. I cannot commingle. I can only deduct passive expenses to passive income. That's why there's no really different taxation. What really is different categorization of the expense. For example, whenever I have passive expenses, let's say that my real estate activity has created expenses for $30,000, and those expenses are lower than my income. So I'm gonna have a loss. Let's say I have income $10,000, losses of 20. I have a $20,000 loss. That is passive income. Whenever I have passive income, the maximum amount that I will be able to deduct is $3,000.
Understood.
And I have, for example, I invest in the stock market. I invest in the stock market and I have losses. I lost $20,000 in the stock market. I will not be able to deduct the $20,000 in the stock market. I will not, because that is passive income. When I buy a stock in the stock market, I am doing nothing but that stock is paying me interest when dividends. Mm-hmm. That is also passive income. Rental income, dividends, royalties are passive income. So when I have this passive income, I receive passive income. I'm sorry, when I receive passive losses, the maximum amount that I'm able to deduct is $3,000. Coming back to the case, or going back to the case of the real estate activity, whenever I sell the house, and I have a loss in the house, complete loss, because I am completely spending out completely the loss, at that point, I am able to deduct the full amount of my passive income because I am taking away the property, getting away from the property. But in the moment that I am keeping the investment and I have losses, I will not be able to deduct but up to $3,000 of passive losses. That is the main difference between passive income and active income, is the nature how they are classified and how they are allowed for deduction when I have losses. That is the main difference.